A flying taxi is just the start of this crazy episode. From self-driving disasters to incredible crashes and seriously insane Sentry Mode events, today's Wham Baam Teslacam video is packed with footage you have to see to believe. This subscriber was driving his Model 3 to the airport in Stockholm one morning, but as he was on final approach, the unthinkable happened. In the words of our subscriber, a taxi came flying out of nowhere. And he's not kidding, it was literally flying through the air. The driver of an oncoming taxi wasn't paying attention to the road, and when it was time to turn, he didn't. Instead, he slammed into a concrete barrier, which launched his Volvo into the air. Our subscriber reacted impressively quickly, avoiding a collision with the taxi by mere inches. Without his evasive action, that taxi would have ended up driving on the glass roof of his Tesla. While Tesla roofs are surprisingly strong, I doubt one could support the weight of that taxi. The taxi driver, who didn't have any passengers at the time, wasn't hurt. Our subscriber told us he was impressed by the Volvo's safety after witnessing the incident. The taxi sat abandoned in a ditch for weeks before finally being towed away. Our subscriber thinks the taxi driver's insurance provider didn't want to pay to have it towed, likely because of the ongoing police investigation. The story doesn't end there. A few months later, our subscriber was notified by the police that the investigation was being closed without finding the taxi driver guilty of reckless driving. Why not? The answer to that question is still up in the air. Rick was driving his Model 3 in St. Petersburg when another driver passed him at about 10 miles per hour over the speed limit. Farther down the road, two vehicles involved in an earlier collision were parked on each side, and aside from one turn signal, the absence of any lighting made them practically invisible in the darkness. Of course, the breakdown lane was too narrow for the vehicle on the left to pull completely off the road, and when the driver who'd passed Rick approached, she never even saw it before slamming into it at full speed. Rick stopped right away, then remained at the scene for nearly 2 hours as police and firefighters responded. Rick even gave the two occupants of the other vehicle a ride back to their hotel. That's when he found out their vehicle was a rental, for which they hadn't paid for the additional insurance. He said they were very thankful for a copy of his Teslacam footage. Rick loves Wham Baam Teslacam, and he had this message to share with our viewers. Buy a Dashcam. Use the links. It could happen to you. Thanks for the reminder, Rick. We put links to the Dashcams we use in our own cars down in the description. Vlad had left his Model 3 in a public garage in Chicago when the driver of the vehicle parked next to it activated his Sentry Mode. Let's watch to see what she did. While his Tesla was still actively charging, she decided, for literally no reason, to unplug it. She wasn't even driving an EV, so it's not like she wanted to charge her own vehicle either. Based on her uniform, Vlad thinks she must have been either a student or an employee at the nearby medical college, so he immediately went there and reported the incident. Thanks for standing up for EV drivers, Vlad. He told us the college administration took a copy of his Teslacam footage and promised to look into what had happened. Krishna was on his way to get breakfast one Saturday morning as he activated full self-driving before sitting back to enjoy the ride, until a fully marked police car ran a red light. FSD quickly decelerated, then waited until the cop car had passed before turning. Krishna also captured a time-lapse of the incident with an action camera, clearly proving that FSD had been in control the entire time. This subscriber was searching for a parking spot when he approached a corner that was extra tight thanks to a huge pile of snow that had been left there. He could tell when a CR-V ahead of him turned the corner that there wasn't enough space for two vehicles to turn past each other. As our subscriber got ready to turn, he stopped to make sure nobody was coming before a Lexus driver rounded the corner in front of him. Of course, our subscriber knew there wasn't room for this, so he honked and gestured for the Lexus driver to back up. The Lexus driver basically did the same, but our subscriber held his ground. Eventually, the Lexus driver did begin reversing into a parked truck. Evidently, he hadn't done a good job cleaning the snow off his car, as the impact with the truck sent some of it toppling onto the ground. Our subscriber told us he watches Wham Baam Teslacam with his daughter Abby. In fact, he won't even watch our videos without her. Leon was on his way home with full self-driving engaged when some rogue riders ran the red and nearly T-boned his Tesla. At first, FSD swerved slightly to the right, but then Leon took over and slammed on the brakes. He told us this save was a combination of man and machine. The crazy criminals continued creating chaos, coming close to colliding with another car. As Josh enjoyed dinner at a nearby restaurant, another car backed into the parking space next to his 2026 Model Y, which only had 1,700 miles on the odometer. His Teslacam captured the moment the passenger of the car carelessly hit the Tesla's driver's door as she opened her own. When Josh came back from dinner, he immediately noticed the new paint on his car, then looked across and realized it matched the paint of the car next to his. While he waited for the couple to return, he managed to wipe any dirt off the point of impact. When they did come back, Josh asked the woman if she knew what had happened, but she denied everything. When he told them he had video footage of the door ding, the revelation left both individuals speechless. In the end, Josh concluded no permanent damage had been done, and he gave the woman a stern warning about respecting the property of others, before getting the driver's insurance information, just in case. Wham Bam fam, if you're driving, make sure your passengers are just as careful as you are when opening their doors. If they aren't, your insurance rates will be the ones increasing. I'm not sure if I should say this next subscriber's name. Voldemort. Oh gosh, okay. Voldemort was using full self-driving on his way to pick up his kids after work when it chose an odd route, and that's the only reason he witnessed this strange event. While letting FSD handle the driving, Voldemort watched an SUV driver back into a parked pickup. Not wanting to stick around, Voldemort hit the juice pedal to get around the slippery situation, and he told us he said, "Thanks, Obama," out loud as he continued. This subscriber was also using full self-driving when he encountered an interesting edge case. He needed to continue straight, and the car needed to get into the left lane in order to do so. A Mercedes driver in the left lane appeared to be intentionally blocking the Tesla's merge while also trying to reach the right lane, creating a standoff. When the Tesla couldn't safely change lanes, FSD found a new route taking the exit, but our subscriber took over and crossed the solid line to continue straight instead. The driver of the Mercedes did the same thing, crossing the solid line to reach the right turn. Interestingly, the driver of the Model Y ahead of our subscriber did the exact same thing, but we have no idea if they were using FSD or driving manually. Keith was driving his Tesla in Florida with full self-driving engaged, enjoying the relaxing ride. When the Ford pickup ahead of him came to an abrupt halt, FSD understood the assignment and came to a gentle stop, but the Harley rider behind him did not. Even though the biker locked up his brakes, he was unable to avoid skidding into the back of Keith's Tesla, gently bumping it before his bike slowly tipped over. It's easy to lock up your brakes in a situation like this, but that only makes your stopping distance even longer. Thankfully, nobody was injured, and both motorists pulled over into a nearby parking lot to exchange information. RB was using full self-driving on his way out of a parking lot, and as it slowly drove his Tesla toward the exit, it suddenly blared an alarm while slamming on the brakes. Just then, a pickup flew by in front of him. RB told us he thinks the driver must have thought he was trying out for NASCAR. Driving at high speed through parking lots is extremely dangerous, and there are a lot of things that can go wrong in such a dynamic and unpredictable environment. We're not sure, but it looks like the pickup driver tossed a plastic cup out of his window. One way or another, that guy is definitely not a very nice driver. This subscriber had full self-driving active when the Subaru driver on his right thought it would be a good idea to make a left turn from the right lane. What could go wrong? Thankfully, FSD is a better driver than that guy. It slowed down and allowed the Subaru driver to make the illegal turn, avoiding any collision. Considering the way the driver behaves, it's easy to see why that Subaru is already pretty banged up. Alessio was driving his Model S when another driver tried to reverse across several lanes and into a parking spot. By the time Alessio realized what the other driver was trying to do, it was too late for him to avoid a collision. Both drivers stopped and exchanged insurance information after the other vehicle backed into the side of Alessio's Tesla. Here's a question for our viewers. Do you think drivers should have to retake their driving test at specific intervals or ages, instead of just once when they first get licensed? We put a poll in the comments, so join the conversation. CyberKid had parked his Tesla in front of a theater while enjoying a movie with his wife. Less than 2 minutes after the movie began, his Tesla app notified him that his Model Y's alarm had been triggered.
You've been Honda bumped!
He wasn't able to review the footage from inside the theater, and he didn't want to leave the movie to check on his car. It wasn't until he reviewed his Sentry Mode footage at home that he discovered he'd been Honda bumped. The offending driver hadn't left his information, but thankfully, Sentry Mode had clearly captured the Honda's license plate number. CyberKid reported the hit-and-run collision to the police, and an officer tracked down the driver, a teenager who'd been borrowing his mother's car. When CyberKid made a claim with the owner's insurance provider, they denied responsibility, until he showed them his Teslacam footage. After that, they agreed to cover the cost of repairs. The original repair quote was for only $700 US, but after Tesla removed the bumper cover and noticed the bumper itself was damaged, the cost increased to $3,000. Thankfully, they're also replacing CyberKid's custom matte paint protection film. From time to time, viewers comment and ask why we never show any bad Tesla drivers. Well, aside from the fact that most bad drivers don't send us the footage that shows them misbehaving, we absolutely do show bad Tesla drivers all the time. Take a look at this guy, for example. Pep was almost hit head-on by a speeding Model S driver while he was entering a grocery store parking lot. The story doesn't end there, though. After Pep parked his Tesla, he found a set of keys on the ground that belonged to an Audi. He immediately did the responsible thing and took them to the customer service counter inside the store. When he spoke to an employee, she asked him if the keys might have belonged to the driver of a white Tesla Model S, who'd just stolen a vacuum cleaner. Pep told them a similar vehicle, perhaps the same one, had nearly run into him as he'd arrived, and he offered to send them his Teslacam footage. Well, I guess he wasn't a terrible Tesla driver after all. He was a terrible Audi driver. We all know that a Tesla driver would never steal a vacuum cleaner. That said, we made a special episode that proves just how badly some Tesla drivers behave. Go watch that video next, and we'll be back with a fresh one next week.